so today we are filming the Halloween complete look challenge. So these are the criterias: realism, difficulty, originality, and overall look. So total is 20 points. And then the 3 teams will compete. Okay, let's take a look at what they have prepared.
We have brushes here, eyeshadow, face paint, white face paint, and foundation.
Okay.
And baby powder.
Okay, cool. Okay, next team, Scott and Serena. What do we have prepared?
We have the Scar Wax brushes, color face paint.
Wow, okay, really very JigSaw looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Perfect, looking forward. For my team,
Hello.
we are not very prepared, right?
Yup.
We have wig,
The ping pong balls,
the video tutorial, ping pong balls,
powder palettes.
yeah, face paint and some like scar wax thing. That's all. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Marking.
Of course.
然后你再用手去打。 What's the problem?
We cannot find our brushes, the one we got. Our
Okay.
table is too messy. Oh my gosh.
You guys, you know the timing is still running, right?
How ah? But I only got my few brush eh. Wow, we only spent 15 I think. In the end we never really used.
Seriously?
Yeah.
And it's gone.
Shit lah. Eh, not funny leh. Not funny leh. Nicola, you
Hello.
Can we borrow your small brush?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I will need some of your white paint.
Okay, now take.
Okay, later, that one coming up.
It's the scar wax. Oh shit lah, 不可以嘞。
Get up, me.
It's getting better.
I'm getting her face very, very white.
Okay, so that's the first step.
Yes, that's the strategy.
Alright.
Sorry, I'm rotten eggs. Can you hold your breath?
Okay.
Oh my god!
I'm trying to make his face like really, really white before I can actually do the outline of the chin and the eyes.
I'm having a hard time
Okay.
hiding her eyebrows because it's very thick and very black. So
Oh.
now my solution is to shave
Okay.
it.
Close your eyes.
I don't even dare to look at myself now.
Your cheekbone very pop up. Can I break your cheekbone?
What?
You guys left half an hour more.
We spent 5 minutes and still cannot find it. Yeah.
It's on video. Because it's all white now.
It's really quite scary.
Cannot peep I saw you peeping.
So for realism, Nicola 4,
Alright, okay.
then Scott 4, and Divya is 3. Difficulty,
correct.
Nicola 4,
This is for
Scott 5,
Whoa.
And Divya is 3. Then the original look. Nicola 4. Scott 4. Divya 4. Overall look. Nicola 4. Scott 5. Oh my god, and Divya 4.
I
So,
think
yeah.
it's because of your overall look. That's why.
Momo must be naked leh. We are very conservative.
Alright.
Scott.
Yes.
I think I'm very satisfied with my final product, I would say, especially
Are you scared?
the cheek, because it took me a lot of effort to get that right. Yeah, that's about all.
And my eyes really cannot open the food.
I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see.